Taking a closer look at Gemini's integration into Google Docs. Let me start by saying that I'm using Gemini Pro, so I'm paying for it, but the integration is definitely here as part of what shows up when I open up a document. And the document I'm looking at is one I created on my presence on the internet. And it has all the links to all the things that I do on the internet. So let's take a look at what Gemini can do. It gives me a summary of what's in the document. And next it says, how can I make the title more effective? Okay, let's go ahead and click on it and see what it says. My online presence is a more concise and descriptive title for this document as it accurately reflects the content within. Good suggestion. I may just follow that one. Next thing it says is, how can I add an introduction or opening statement to this document? Again, it offers the advice. Let me take a look and see what it has to say. And there is the introduction that it comes up with. What are some of the topics covered in your blog and website? A great way to get additional information without actually having to go to any of the links on this document. What are some of the most popular posts on your blog? Most popular videos? Which playlist is most popular? More details on protecting privacy? Any videos are there on protecting your privacy and security? As you can see, there are lots of things that it can help you with in a simple document, and we can keep going and explore every part of what's on that document. Well, if I wanted to spend all day on here, I can just keep asking it to give me the information it suggests. But as you can see, just from these examples, there are lots and lots of things that Gemini can do on a Google Doc. And I'm sure it'll do the same for all the other things that are part of Google. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. And thanks for watching and listening.